Hey everybody, I want to talk to you today about climate change and how that is affecting our housing environment, our future building plans and renovation plans, and some of the ways that we can try to plan ahead for long-term climate change. As everybody knows, we've been having massive heat waves, massive storms and floods, a lot of things that are happening on our planet right now. One of the big factors is our infrastructures for our cities and our buildings and homes really were based on and designed a lot of old data that isn't really necessarily relevant anymore or going to be relevant long term. So I was looking into this, and Ronan Levinson, who is a climate change specialist, talks about transforming our infrastructure and our renovation choices, preparing for our planet to continue warming. Think about if you're picking a new roof, you might want to pick a lighter colored roof. They even have special roof material that is cool roof material, which comes in different colors. That might be something you want to consider. If you're selecting new siding, you might want to consider going with lighter colors. According to Ronan Levinson, we could actually potentially reduce our need to run AC in the summer seasons and hot months by 10 to 40%, depending on choices we make with the colors and materials of our homes. So that could be a big savings. Additionally, just thinking long term about what we're selecting in terms of colors, and then if you're getting new gutters, you could always talk about overbuilding your gutters or storm drains, going with, maybe an inch or two of a bigger gutter, that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to put that thought out into your minds. Obviously, we're all aware of just the weather that's been going on and the climate change stuff. So I think as homeowners who are making investments into these new things like a big expensive roof, you might want to consider the long-term effects of the warming planet and how you can help keep your home cool and potentially keep your home safe and keep your energy costs down. Anyways, this is your realtor, Anna Lee Rinskoff with Remax Traditions and the Anna Lee and Company Home Group. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today, and drop me a like or a comment if you agree with what I had to say today. I would also love if anyone has any other ideas of ways that we can plan ahead for our changing planet's climate with applying that to our homes. Thank you so much for watching.